Hello, everybody. How are you? It has been a while. Can everybody hear me? Let's have a look at platinum. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna try some Japanese yen longs again. Yesterday, I missed this entry, so I want to show you. I already had yesterday. I had a. I want to show you here too. Log into simulated environment. Olympia is no longer with the company, mate. Um, uh, listen you. So this was my day yesterday, trading this combine. Made about 5K. Just had one small loss, 520. Pretty nice day, if you ask me. Let's see if we can do the same today. So yesterday I missed this. Was by the end of the day that this pullback here. Hello, John. How are you? Day that this pullback here. All right. That's cool. Now, looking for this again. So on the Nasdaq, we had that possible, but again, all right. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Hot coffee, hot coffee. All right, cool. So let's do this. Here's my balance on Nasdaq. Didn't get hit again. Let's have a look at the E-mini S&P 500 micro contracts. So on the S&P 500, I'm going to try that pullback play towards this imbalance. Targeting the highs of the day, of course. That's pretty much all I can do at the open. So let's try this. 327.5. Buy limit made. Perhaps I'm gonna use the full contract. Hey, how are you, Jorge? Say. All right, cool. Order filled. Bum bum. Yeah. Everything is I'm gonna do two full contracts here on this open, on this play by limit. Stop losses for 53.27. All right. All right, cool. See if we can get field on this. And this is the first trade of the day. I hadn't had anything really noticeable. So we had CPIs out of the UK, um, and none of my setup have been, have been hit or have been triggered. I had this on the euro, did not get filled, and nothing on the British pound. On the Japanese yen, I sure want to try some longs, but there's no setup to go ahead and try them. Bitcoin, looking very bullish, trying to find some bullish plays, but nothing. Yesterday I took a long on platinum. That was a very nice play. Now let me show you that long that I took on platinum because this is exactly what I am doing, right? Just playing these setups. So basically, I took my long here on a sniper entry. I didn't send this trade because I don't trade platinum with the signals. And yeah, I took my trade out here. That was a nice play. So looking forward to see if we get more platinum plays. And the S&P 500, here's that. On the 15 minutes, it's the same thing. On the 15 minute, we have this OB here, resting liquidity. Yeah, it's the same thing. So let's see if we can get filled here long on the S&P 500. Now, going long right now would be, ill-advised in the sense that there's no setup right now to go long. The structure in this market is very, very much still bearish. So, just waiting for this long setup to get filled on the S&P 500, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's see what we got. Oof. Very choppy. And again, also, my overnight gold short did not get filled. I mean, it has been a fucking bad ride. So I had this particular setup on gold, overnight gold longs here, and my targets were all the way here. So this was my setup. Sorry. This was my setup. It was a 2.7, 2.8 R. I didn't get filled by about 15 pips or so. That's a shame. Nice setup though. Yeah, I know. But I've been on a heavy drawdown, so I don't want to push my trades. Also, I mean, super choppy price action, man. Let's see if we can get something really cool going on here on gold. Let's see. Let's do that. That up and down analysis. All right. Let's see if we can get some direction here on gold at the open. Whatever of these two liquidities gets stripped first, that's what we're going to trade. So, on the chart, all right. So we're looking for a strip of any of these two liquidities um, before looking for a trade, right? Now I'm gonna send this S&P 500 to my VIPs though. Boom, 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 boom. S&P 500. S&P 500. So, where is it that we are going to enter? I don't remember. Okay, so on the 5 minute chart, we do have an imbalance here, an OB, etc., etc., etc. Boom, boom, boom. So on this should be, I can't see it. Oh, well, it should be around this level, something like this. Ah, here it is. Well, I'm gonna place it around this level though. I'm gonna place it around this level. It's a buy limit. I'm gonna place it around this level, just below that week low. Stop loss below this week, and targeting the highs, right? For shizzle. For shizzle. Boom. So it's a 2.3R. 2.5R. So yeah, because it's okay. 2.5R, cool. And it worked. It doesn't work. Doesn't fucking work with um, you know. So so. All right, so I'm gonna do a nine. I think it's a 9.3 lots to get that 0.5. No, a little less, a little less. 8.9. I'm gonna stay online until I finish my session. Um, I'm gonna show you something because it's actually pretty cool. A little less. I'm gonna do 8.4. Yeah, that's fine. So let me just send this to the VIPs. I like round numbers and I cannot lie. If I get stopped out of this trade, I am going to, I am going to go long lower, right? Uh-huh. All right, cool beans. So here we go. Well, there's a difference between signals and what and my trading session. My trading session, I take my trades. I mean, these are the trades that I don't have time to send a signal with, right? So, um, what I'm going to do from now on is just have this trading room live whenever I'm trading, right? So you can see and maybe follow my non-signal trades, and I'm gonna try to send them as signals, right? So let me just, I'm gonna record a video, right? All right. So what I dig about this particular setup is this. Sorry about that trucks, the garbage truck behind me. I forgot to. Well, fuck it, right? All right. Let's see if we can get village on this village. Village, I said. I'm gonna use this. All right. All right. Let's record. Hello, everybody. How are you? Let's have a talk about this possible S&P 500 long. Now, what I think about this setup is this. Pre-market. well, this is yesterday. I'm sorry. Yesterday, sell side liquidity was swept, and we are in a very bullish market with structured breaks all over the place. Now, looking at the sell side liquidity to be swept and price to hit my point of interest, and I am of course placing my stop losses below the structured low. Now this is internal structured low, I know, but I'm okay placing my stop losses here, since this was the leg that started with those breaks of structure. So if price breaks with this low, I don't want to be long anymore. Now, if I get stopped out on this trade, I am going to try another long lower, but I'll talk about it if and when that happens. If that happens. All right, so we have what a very slow, pre-market, man. For fuck's sakes, this is. We do have crude oil inventories today. You know what? The live squad. Player refreshed.
Player refreshed.
Very slow open. So, let's have a look at some other markets whilst we wait. You know what? I'm gonna put on alerts here on this, um, on this, add alert on trend line, crossing, create. So now I'm going to get alerted when one of these two liquidity spots gets swept. Whilst I do. Hola, señora. Venga. Whilst I look at some other markets. Silver. Choppy as fuck. Alright. I normally look at the 50-minute chart. Alright, hold on for a second, guys. Alright, I'm back. I mean, super choppy, man. Super choppy. PA here. What happened with alright. Yeah. I don't know what happened with my toolbar. I don't know. I don't know. What do I do now? All right. What happened with my fucking toolbar? Okay. I don't know. But I missed you. I missed the yeah, YouTube Studio. And hold on, guys. I'll be right there with you. I can't understand what the fuck have I sound. Create, go live. I don't know what the hell is going on, man. Yeah, this is live right now. Okay, now I'm back here. All right. So I lost the chat for a second, guys. Let's see what the open brings us. We are about 14 minutes until the casino opens. I am a little tired about this particular, um, you know, slow price action, man. There's nothing to do right now but just wait. Now the Nasdaq just pushing higher and 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 higher. Now, remember that Nasdaq that I deleted. Now this entire point of interest. Now that got filled and hit targets. But you know what? That's okay. Yeah, that's okay because it didn't met my criteria again. Now, I could possibly feel the Nasdaq long. No, this. No, hear me out. Hear me out because this is quite good. All right, cool. So now this has turned into an inverted fair value gap, right? And we do have this particular OB right there. So I could definitely see some longs here. No, it's not in balance. All right, hold on. OB. So we have an order block here. Um, and of course, liquidity here. So everything looks good for a possible sweep here. long. Who knows, right? Who knows? So let's wait and see what happens. Let's come back to that S&P 500. We're still waiting for the open. No, what time is it? I mean, my toolbar toolbar doesn't work. So 7 minutes until the casino opens. 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. Let's come back to gold. Let's get back to love. So if you have any questions, guys, just go ahead and post it on the chat. Very nice Bitcoin. I mean, I'm just looking at Bitcoin futures here, and but I'm not placing any trades, right? Um, even I'm not even placing my lines because here we have the sell side, buy side liquidity. I'm sorry, but if these highs get liquidated, I'm not going to get in short, man. That's out of the fucking question. So I'm gonna leak some batteries because my keyboard died, and I don't know where the spare batteries are right now. So I'm gonna do the old lickety trick. The lickety. Oh boy. Let's see. Didn't work. Oh yeah. The lickety. So, not doing that on BTC, right? Silver is pretty much not tradable right now for me. Um, Platinum would love another try long on platinum, maybe, I don't know. So we are going to place those lines on platinum because this is a very profitable market to trade, man. Because it's very trendy, you know. I hadn't realized this, but platinum is just fucking trends, and that's a beautiful thing. Sorry about that. Allergy season, man. And yeah, and right here. So that's the box I'm looking. That is the box on platinum. And here. All right. So this is going to alert me once any of these two trend lines or gets broken with, which will alert me one. I mean, if platinum sweeps um, the upside or the downside, that's giving me, direction. Same as gold. So I have alerts in platinum and gold, and um, I don't know if you know buyers are going to jump in here on the Japanese yen, but this looks very much like just liquidity being created. And my friends, I don't want to be part of that liquidity. See, equal lows here on the Japanese yen. So, um, yeah, in order for me to do anything, and remember, I can't hold trades overnight with this account because it's a combine from a funding company, and it's a day trading rules only. So, I wouldn't trade Japanese yen, well, this late of a day, right? But in any case, I want to get in long the Japanese yen if price just sweeps this and breaks through the structure high here. Then I'm going to look for pullbacks. Oh boy. You know what? I'll do that later. Is the market open? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get filled here. Now, this is a good thing because, I mean, it's an aggressive entry. I'm going to share this with you. This is an aggressive entry in the sense that, if we get filled, that means that, hold on. Oh boy. Right there. If we get filled, that means that we are trying to get filled on, of course, on an imbalanced play, right? But also a sell side liquidity sweep. Now, this aggressive in the sense that if price sweeps this and comes back inside, we should in fact wait for the break of this high in order for us to look for longs. That'll be my second entry, I guess. So the market opens at the close of this 5 minute candle. Let's wait. Close of this one, and I'm gonna put some golds here just to see what the hell is it. Market just opened bullish, and looking for a sweep here in gold. Either side is fine by me. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Yeah. Now, if now this is the box here on the S&P 500, right? We need to wait and see which one gets liquidated first. If the buy side liquidity gets liquidated first, I'll probably just delete this. Because that would mean that the structure in this market is still bearish, and very likely I will get stopped out of my trade. Now, if we get a liquidation of the sell side liquidity first, that means that, of course, the market might shift, or there's a very much higher probability that the market shift long or bullish. So yeah. Also, I'm talking about sweeps, right? If we get a clean break of the highs here, a clean break, not a sweep, that's the difference, right? That's the main difference. I'm going to move my buy limits higher, just below this imbalance play that I'm seeing here. Now, here's an imbalance. Now, I'm going to explain this to you because this is exactly why I can't send this as signals, because it changes. It changes so much, so fast that I cannot send in my signals. So you might not get the performance that I get, right? So let me explain this to everybody here. All right. So I was saying that this changes so fast that I can't send signals. I can't send these trades as signals because I need to be focused on my own trading, right? And I have quite a few accounts that I need to trade alongside this one. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm gonna do my best, to send this as signals too, but I don't promise anything. So that's why you should, in fact, look forward for my live trading rooms, or when my trading room opens, because then you're going to be able to catch these trades with me. So, what I was saying is that if we get a clean break of this high, of course that would be a liquidity sweep too, but it wouldn't be. I mean, if we get a weak high and a close below, that is a sweep. That it means bearish direction. But if we get a clean break of these highs, that is a market structure shift. So I'm going to use my imbalance play here for longs with my stop loss below this low, because it would be the structure low for the day. Now let's have a look at gold. All right, gold looking like wants to sweep the low side of the box. So right now we just need to wait and see, right? We need to wait and see. So coming back to what I was saying, guys, right? This was what I did yesterday, right? Doing exactly what I'm doing today, right? On this combine. So this is what I did yesterday. It's almost impossible for me to send these trades as signals, because how fast the market changes, and because also, I trade the low. I mean, I'm a day trader, right? But I trade the low, um, the low time frames, and I trade the most volatile times of the day. So it's quite hard. I'm gonna do my best to start. For example, this S&P 500 long play, when we break with these highs, I am going to send it as a signal, both to the VIP and the free group, of course. But most of the trades can't. So that's why I decided to stick with this trading room, so you can actually trade live with me. All right, so cool. Waiting for the break of the highs here. There's no direction in the market. The box is still intact, as well as in gold. The box is intact. There's nothing to do whilst price is trading within this box, right? Nothing to do. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. I mean, the Nasdaq. I'm not looking for Nasdaq plays today. I guess. Well, I guess. I don't know. We got a sweep here, but it means nothing. Nothing without a woman or a girl. All right, and this is a waiting game, guys. This is a massive waiting game. But
In just under 3 minutes now, we're expecting to hear from Chicago Fed President Goolsbee giving opening remarks at the Chicago Fed Holding Company Symposium. Not expecting a text and not expecting a Q&A.
all right, we might get a U.S. dollar play though. Oh, I've forgotten about this. Oh, you little bastard. So DXY USD CAD on the 5-minute chart. No. No. And here, oh boy. main, right? Euro USD. So here's that DXY on a 5 minute chart. I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute chart. Um, uh, I guess we're looking for longs, right? I guess. I guess we're looking for longs. Let's see the 5 minute chart. Would be nice around these levels, right? Around these levels. So further downside until we get that pullback um, on the US dollar. So we might as well just look for shorts on the Euro USD, right? On the Euro USD, and here I need to get alerted on this too because I am going to look at another at another tab. So looking for Euro USD shorts. This is cool. This is a cool thing, right? Now, what do we have here? First of all, we have the trap. Right here we have the trap. So I need a liquidation of this trap, right? I need a liquidation of this trap. So I'm going to look for possible fills here around this level. Let's see on the 15-minute chart if we get a clearer marking. We have a breaker here. Now this breaker looks good. It has been mitigated though. Yep, mitigation here. We do have an imbalance all the way up here. Um, but now this is what I call music. Now, here's my entire point of interest on the Euro US dollar. I'm going to place my stop losses all the way above this. Now, the reason that I'm going to place my stop losses all the way above this is because I do have an imbalance here. Now, I do want to get filled short. So, I'm going to place my sell limits right here at this order block. My stop losses are going to be above the structure high, though. Now, this is, wider than my normal stop loss placement would be. But you know what? I'm not too keen of placing, and it's a 2.7 R to the low, so that's fine. I'm not too keen of placing tight stop losses. You know what? You notice what happened with my gold and silver shorts a couple of days ago. Yeah, I fucking hated that. So yeah, that's not me. I'm not that guy. All right. So still waiting for this place, right? All markets are are still trading within the box. Now, all markets are still trading within the box, and I'm going to place this. No, this is it. I can't place it. I can't. The reason is my toolbox does not work. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So I am going to do this. Again, I guess it worked. This and this. Yeah, and here is that high time frame liquidity spot. Very cool, very good setup here. Target liquidity, boom. Very, very good setup. I'm gonna place it on both my my futures account and this account that tracks VAP plays. Now, we are about to break with the upside, so I'm gonna do this very fast. Euro US dollar. Here's where I want to get filled. All right. Now, we got a break on this buy side liquidity. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna place this first. So hold on. 0.5. Shit. It's a sell limit, mate. Sell limit. I want to get filled here, of course, and stop loss about this high and TP at the lows for a 2.6R, which is fine by me. There you fucking go. Now, Euro US dollar. And I'm going to send this to the VAPs and the free group. I have to do this very fast. Euro USD. There's a fucking mosquito fucking with me. All right. Here it is. You know what? At this level, at this level, you see why is it that it's hard for me to send everything as signal? God damn it, I'm missing my possible play on the S&P 500 because of this. 2.4R, I don't give a shit. Risk 0.5%. All right. Now, yeah, for fuck's sakes. Now, we did get that break above, so I am going to move my buy limits here to below this lows, and I'm going to use this structure low as my now structure low around this level is okay, I guess. I'm not going to add another contract here at all. I am not going to add another contract. What I'm going to do, however, is go to a 5-minute chart here and do the same for my VAPs. I'm going to move my entry here, my stop loss here, I guess. No, here, and my TP. My TP is the same. Now I'm gonna add some more lots because of, you know what? I'm gonna use this structure low as my stop loss. I like using this structure low as my stop loss. So I'm gonna add a few more lots here. On pending order. You see, I mean, this is a fucking hell. You know, to do this for every single one of you, but I shall do it. Good, that's fine. I don't give a shit. You know what? I'll do 10. Modify order. Buy limit. I'll do 10, and if it doesn't fit, doesn't fucking fit. 47, and that's okay. That's a 3R or so. Now, where am I moving them to? This. And my stop loss to here. And my target 3180. Same. All right, cool. Now I need to place my Euro USD or my Euro USD play on my futures account. You see how this is quite annoying to do. Not annoying, but it takes time and concentration off. Now I'm gonna use the same stop loss positioning here, and Euro USD 6E. So on the 50-minute chart, here's a trap. I want to get filled around this level. Yeah. All right. Now let's see if I get filled here. My stop loss on the sell limit should be this high, 87.20. I guess that's fine. And targets the lows, 83.50. Wow, 2R here, not the best, but I'll take it. 5 minutes. Yeah, it's a little higher. It's here that I want to get filled on. Yeah, much better. Much better. Now, this is what we have here today, guys. This is what we have. Any questions? Any questions at all? So look at gold. Now we are here green. Green means that we do have orders in play. Let's have a look at gold. Still trading within the box, man. Still trading within the box.
Just under 10 minutes now, we will get the US existing home sales data for April. Looking for a 4.23 million on a prior 4.19 million. You also get the existing home sales month-on-month data for April. Looking for a 0.8% on a prior negative 4.3%.
Now, let's see if we can get filled. Oh, I'm going to send this to the free group too. Forgot about that. Oh, shite. All right, hold on. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, I'm going to record the video for my VIPs. Here. All right, everybody, how are you? I do have a play short on the Euro US dollar now. This is a long play on the USD. As you can see, this market is very bullish, and I'm looking for
just a note: last month's inventory of homes for sale.
I'm looking for dip buys on the this is the DXY US dollar currency index around these levels. Now, I'm still waiting for more downside before the actual move to the upside. That that means that I'm waiting for more upside until the actual move to the downside on the euro US dollar, given that this is a US dollar play. Now, uh, this is the trap. The trap is just liquidity at the trap, people getting short on the retest of the previous broken lows. And here's my entire point of interest. Um, right here, the first box. Now, my stop losses are above the structure high. I am not too keen on placing tight stop losses. I just don't like it. And I do have an imbalance here that might get filled, so I might get in a little bit of a drawdown before the actual move. And I am targeting this liquidity target right here that didn't quite get hit, right? So there's a ton. So we have a high time frame double bottom here, which is a magnet, as you can see, one bottom, two bottoms, which is a tremendous magnet. I don't know why I sounded like Donald Trump right there. Which is a big magnet for liquidity sweeps. So that's the play. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so I'm done. Let's see if we can get feel on this imbalance play. Oh shit! I know. I'm fine. I am okay, my man. So we have a clean market structure shift here on the S&P 500. Very, very nice. The setup is now complete, and there's absolutely nothing to do here but wait, my friends. But wait. There's absolutely nothing to do here but wait. We do have that market structure shift in play. We are below equilibrium. Our entry is below equilibrium. Right there. I mean, everything is copacetic. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I'm not interested in gold anymore. I'll keep my alerts though, and let's just have a look at what the Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is doing absolutely nothing. So U.S. dollar and the USD and the S&P 500 are my two trades today. Oh, finally we get some action. All right, I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I said, don't go anywhere. Okay, man, I'm back. I am back. Got my hoodie on. Now I look. How I look. That's okay. All right. So, any questions? You have said nothing on the chat. God damn. God damn. Let's have a look at the Japanese yen. Ooh. Fuck the Japanese yen. Here's the Canadian dollar. No, today's US dollar plays. Look at that beautiful sweep of the lows here on the British pound. That's a nice setup. This is pretty very good. Look at how money closes above that market structure shift level we got on the S&P 500. This is looking very nice. Very, very nice. Also, we do have an inverted fair value gap right here. Now everything is pointing out at a phenomenal entry. Now on the euro side, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. If price breaks with the lows here, I'm gonna delete that order. Yep. So these were all my trades yesterday. Small losses, as you can see here. Small losses, small losses, small losses. And then, average wins. It's not rocket science. So this is this is why I'm gonna be live whilst I'm still trading. Whilst I'm still waiting for my trades to get filled. And yes, you might see me do some other shit, but that's okay. You're just going to have, because if you don't ask me anything, I'm gonna start doing some other shit, whilst I wait on my other screens. Let's see if we can get some pillage here. Now, targets here, of course, are the highest 53.80 something. I want to target one here. Sell limit. Yeah, I'm gonna exit one contract here, and I'm gonna let the rest of it ride. So I'm gonna exit one at I guess it would be a 1 to 1.7 or so. Let's see if my eyes or my calculations are correct. It's a 1 to 2. God damn. Very choppy fucking week. Right. I'll be right back, guys. I just need to go get my charger because I need to post some content. And because I am wearing my pajama bottoms, which means I'm in underwear, I'm gonna turn my camera off. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. So, any questions whilst we wait? USD pair seem to be directionals. Yeah, sure does. Not today, though. Not today. Pretty much, this is just have a look at what happened here, right? Now, the Euro USD. This I'm gonna change the sound of this fucking alert. All right, gold sweeping the lows. Now what we need to do is just wait for to see if we get an actual sweep of the lows for a market structure shift. I'm gonna keep this buy side liquidity activated because let me explain to you what I'm looking at here and why I place my box like this. Because we might get two things here. We might get a break of the lows. Remember, we are in an immediate bearish market, so we might get a break of structure here or a sweep. I really don't know yet, right? I really don't know. So if even if this candle closes very bearish, but if we get an immediate play above that sell side liquidity line, then this is a sweep, and I need for price to break with the buy side liquidity in order for me to look for longs, right? Just like the S&P 500. Just like this S&P 500. So that's the whole idea behind those boxes. So I don't remember what I was looking at. Oh, I remember now. So here, gold. No, the Euro USD. Right. This is Euro USD futures, Euro futures, whatever. Liquidated these highs, right? Liquidated these highs. I was looking for possible shorts, but my point of interest was this. All of this zone right here, which didn't quite get hit, right? And the Euro USD just plummeted. Now I'm trying to get in short again, but it doesn't feel like it's going to get there. So. But it doesn't matter what I feel. We just need to wait and see. Now, gold is on my radar right now. Wow, very bearish, very bearish. So now this is bearish. This is bearish as fuck. I like this price action here on the S&P 500 at the highs. Very nice. Very, as you can see, after the market structure shift, there's absolutely no no big volume, bullish volume joining the market, right? Pretty, pretty obvious that we got some people trapped at the break or breakout players here. Breakout players here are trapped with stop losses here or even here, right? So all of that sweep needs to happen before the actual move. So let's see if we can get filled. Now gold looking very extremely bearish. Let's look at the 50-minute chart to see where this market is going. Now I'm going to try some very aggressive entries long in gold, perhaps. Not perhaps. I'm very positive that I will. Around these levels or so. Yeah. So I'm going to pick up an alert around this. If we get to these lows, I'll definitely look for some longs. US data in 1 hour. I think we got it right. I'm sorry about that. FOMC minutes. I don't even know what time it is. It's Monday. All right, everybody. My trade room is open. It's live, and we have this possible plays on the Euro USD and on the S&P 500. Come join us. Now I need the fucking link. Whoa, link. All right. Ey, ¿de quién está ladrando usted, pues? ¿Ah? All right, so nothing to do here, but wait. Now gold. Oh boy, that is a very bearish move. Am I crazy to start looking for longs? I don't think so. I do not think so. I do not think so. I have an alert here in gold where I want to start looking for short longs. And that's a cool thing. And the Japanese yen directionless, as you can see here on the top hour. You can't because of my camera positioning. Ooh. So what's up? Any market that you are watching on this absolutely shit? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We are very likely to, to get filled here long on the S&P 500. But again, this is just a waiting game, and I'm gonna watch some reels on Instagram if you don't ask me anything. Whoa. Am I getting questions? I don't know. I don't think so. Mhm. All right, all right. Okay, we're just waiting. Ooh, platinum breaking with the box. Now this might be something worth trading. Platinum breaking with the box. Let's see if this is a liquidity sweep or not. Going to the 1 minute chart on Platy. Oh boy. Now this market is highly volatile, and you might get, if you're trading CFDs on platinum, you will get slippage. So that's just advice, right? I'm not sending any platinum signals though, just because of that. Ooh, nice sweep in platinum. I might get involved here in a small long. We do have this now. The way I'm gonna trade this is a bearish imbalance, right? This is a bearish imbalance. So where the fuck is it here? Now, this is a bearish imbalance. So the way I'm gonna trade this possible sweep is on platinum closing above this level. Yep, that's a cool one. Whilst we wait. I'm gonna target these highs. Now this is true liquidity at the highs. So this could in fact give me a 1, 2, 3, I guess. If platinum closes alongside of this level. 1 to 2, 1 to 1.7. God damn, that's not too much, but I'll take it. I just need to see how big I should go. If my stop loss is the 0150. I can go 2 contracts long. Now, this is still bearish. This is still bearish because this is still a bearish imbalance getting filled. I need price to not respect this imbalance and close above it, turning it into an inverted fair value gap. Now, there's where I'm going to take 2 contracts long in platinum. Look at the S&P 500 on the right side, on the left side of my screen. Very nice, coming down towards that entry, and just waiting for this play on platinum. Now, if price breaks with with the lows and breaks with the structure, I'm done looking for this particular setup because it would not be a sweep of the lows. Would be a nice break of the structure lower, but that's okay. All right, so gold hitting that 1 hour, I guess. That 1 hour zone. Yeah, this would be very aggressive on me. Let's see if I can risk it on a micro gold contract to buy at market with stop losses all the way here. 20 where? Shit. No, all the way here. 23.76. I might get into micro contracts. I'm not too keen on doing that though. Just yet. Come back to platinum. Coming back to platinum. I'm much happier looking for this sweep long on the this sweep entry on a platinum that I am, trying to catch a falling knife in gold. Huawei. All right, so platinum really broke with the lows. No longer looking for this play. It's a shame. Well, I might still. I'm gonna have a look at this. I don't know. I might still. Really. I might still if price really just comes very bullish right now and closes above this. It will make my oh, we do have another one. We do have another one. Here. And here. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Wow, wom, wom, wom. Okay, so no longer playing that platinum. No longer doing that. It's a shame. Ah, did we get those? All right. U.S. Crude oil inventories. Oh, in about 1 minute, we're gonna get those inventories. Now, maybe we can watch this, do something. I don't know. All right, crude oil inventories in less than 30 seconds.
Player refreshed.
Maybe I can get in on a couple of contracts here. Crude oil inventories are out apparently. No, still pending. 1.8 million. That's very bearish. The higher the inventories, the more bearish the data is for crude oil and natty gas, right? When it comes to inventories. What a fucking boring trading day. Best to sit on your hands on a day like this. I might do something real quite stupid, but let's see. This is not a real imbalance just yet because this 5 minute candle has not closed. But let's wait and see. This is not an imbalance play, my friends. I'm just looking at platinum right now. Here's where I shall look for those longs in platinum. 2 contracts, I think I said. Not the best risk to reward ratio. So again, I need a close above this imbalance in order for me to throw in a very aggressive long position. If not, this is just an imbalance field. You know what price? There you go. I need a close above that to throw in a two contract long. Yep, throwing in that.
Order filled.
Order filled. I'm gonna get in out of this trade right here. Sell stop right there. Good. We are above that sell side liquidity line. Pre-market sell side liquidity. We played that bearish imbalance to the upside. Yeah, everything pointing out at a good long setup. You know, after the sweep, I'm gonna get in everything right there. Sell limit, 2 contracts right there. In platinum, good play here in platinum, guys. Good play. Let's see if we can get to those targets. Good move in platinum. Good move. You see how I mean that it's impossible for me to send this trades at signal. It's impossible. I mean, how am I supposed to do this? I can't. This is a good move, man. I might just get one here actually and move my stops to even when and if we hit this target, right? And then I'm going to wait. I'm going to delete this. I don't want another fucking. You know what? What I'm going to do? I'm going to modify the alert sound on all my alerts because yeah, this sound sucks. I had this. Yeah, this is the one that I dig. Now, good move here in platinum, guys. Good move. And you see, I had to wait for this to play out. I couldn't get in any sooner along in platinum. Now, yeah, I mean, I like this setup a ton. I am not. Look at that 5-minute close in platinum. Very bullish. Very bullish. We might get some wick down here. Yeah, we might get some wick down here, or even a bearish 5-minute candle. I'm fine with. But this 5-minute close is extremely bullish. So I'm very happy with this play. All right, so I mean, no one's asking anything. There's no need for me to stay here. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.